As you learned in the last video, Picobot is a bot that's very good at moving through two-dimensional space. However, Picobot is not very smart. It can only sense what's around it in the four cardinal directions: north, east, west, and south, as well as its state, which tells it which instructions to execute when. Today, we're going to be doing a human simulation of Picobot to better understand how it functions.
Hi, I'm Annalise. I'm going to be Picobot.
And I'm Yoji, and I'm going to be the programmer. Since Picobot only knows its immediate directions, Annalise is going to be blindfolded. And a hat is going to represent her state. Right now, Picobot is in state 0. Rule number 1. I will tell Picobot, in state 0, go north when there is nothing to your north. It doesn't matter what is in the other directions. Stay in state 0. If Picobot starts in state 0 and there's nothing to its north, we don't care about the other directions, go north and stay in state 0.
There's nothing to my north. I don't care what's around me, so I go north. Something to my north. I don't care what's around me, so I go north. Something to my north. I don't care what's around me, so I go north. Uh-oh. Something's to my north. What do we do?
We'll write a second rule, because now I want her to stop trying to go north, but go in a different direction instead. Let's tell Picobot, in state 0, go west if there's something to your north, but nothing to your west. We don't care about any of the other directions. Stay in state 0. If Picobot starts in state 0, and there's something to the north, and nothing to the west, we don't care about the other directions, go west and stay in state 0.
There's something to my north. I don't care what's to my east. There's nothing to my west. I don't care what's to my south. I'll go west. There's something to my north. I don't care what's to my east. There's nothing to my west. I don't care what's to my south. I'll go west. Uh-oh. There's something to my west and something to my north. I don't have a rule for that.
All right, let's try telling Picobot to go south. Picobot, if you're in state 0 and there's nothing to your south, go south. We don't care what any of the other directions are, and we want you to stay in state 0. If Picobot starts in state 0 and there's nothing to the south, we don't care about the other directions, go south and stay in state 0.
Well, I don't care what's around me, and there's nothing myself, so I'll go south. Wait, I have another rule. Doesn't matter what's around me, but there's something to my north, so I'll go north. Now there's something to my north and my west, but there's nothing to my south, so I don't care about those. I'll go south. This is hard.
Oh no, we have a problem. We have already told Picobot to go north if there's nothing to the north, and it doesn't matter what's in the other directions. This is a repeat rule, so Picobot is confused. We need a state change. Instead of staying in state 0 after heading west, let's tell Picobot to move to state 1. This will let Picobot know that it needs to follow a different set of directions, those in state 1. Our new instruction will be, for going west, is going to be, if there's something to your north and nothing to your west, go west and change to state 1. If Picobot starts in state 0 and there's something to the north and nothing to the west, go west and change to state 1. Then we'll change our most recent rule about going south to this. If you start in state 1, go south if there's nothing to your south. We don't care about any of the other directions, and stay in state 1. If Picobot starts in state 1, and there's nothing to the south, and we don't care about the other directions, go south, and stay in state 1. Remember, Picobot is not very smart, and it can only tell what's immediately around it. You have to tell Picobot the correct rules in the correct order, or else Picobot will be lost.